Let's draw a friendly donkey. First, draw the donkey's head. Yellow-green. Then add an oval muzzle. Great! Draw a charming smile on its face. Beautiful! Now draw a long ear. And then another one, magenta. Good job! Draw its neck and its mane. Medium blue. And now draw its body. A big oval. Orange, red, aqua. First, 2 legs. And then 2 more. Perfect. Draw a tail with a switch. Terrific! What a nice-looking donkey you have made.